Newswire is a service provided by Fairfax County that keeps everybody up to date with information about county services, programs, and events that impact you, your family, your neighborhood, your community. It's the quickest and easiest way to get Fairfax County information the way you want it, directly to you. Newswire gives you information, but it's information about ways you can interact with your government. You can interact via an online chat. You can find out about public hearings or town hall meetings. Anything important going on in Fairfax County government, you'll find out through Newswire. Stay on top of what's happening in Fairfax County, including emergencies, transportation updates, police and fire activity, health-related news, text news and reminders, actions by the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, county job announcements, and park and library events. You can subscribe to Newswire 3 different ways. You can receive it by email either daily or weekly. You can follow it on Twitter, or you can receive it by RSS feed. It only takes a couple of minutes to subscribe to Newswire. All you need to do is go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/news/subscribe and select either the Twitter, email, or RSS button and follow the simple directions.